Okay, I got a package. FedEx tried to drop me off a package, and I wasn't there to get it. So I actually wasn't even sure if it was mine or not. I wasn't sure what it was because the package, it was a door tag. It didn't say anything. It didn't have any information. When I tried to track it, I contacted FedEx. They didn't have any record of it. They didn't know what was going on with it. It was I don't know. They just didn't have any information on it. So I didn't know I was looking for my knife. All right, so I didn't know exactly how to go as far as that was concerned, because you don't always want all packages, all stuff or whatever, right? So when it was like, okay, they said, okay, we found out who it was from. It's from the shipping department. They said that's all the information they have on this from the shipping department, right? But so all right, I went on and signed the door tag so they would drop it off when I'm not home or whatever. And I got there and I just looked at it, and this is it right here. Right, the package says the return address is from shipping department. 601 Lehigh, Union, New Jersey, 07083. But it's a box, so a letter's usually bad, so the box is usually pretty good. So I'm willing to see what's up in here. I didn't order anything, and nobody ever sends me anything nice, so I figured I'd see what's going on. Let me see. There we go. I mean, some people got some really big, crazy knives. This is really pretty pedestrian, nothing big, but it's cool. It's what's up. All right. Goodness. Okay. I mean, this is not really what I was expecting. I was expecting something else, and I'm not gonna say what I was expecting because I'm still expecting that. But I was not expecting this. But anyway, let me open that. Because I didn't order anything. I am kind of waiting on one thing, and I actually kind of thought this was that, but it wasn't. This is a Paradenofi. Wait a minute. Right, okay. Alright, this is a Paradenofi extended. I actually did do I crashed my Anafi, and I did do I did it, I forgot what it's called. I just called in and I sent the information or whatever case may be for them to do a warranty. So I did do a warranty replacement on the Paradenofi, but I already got that. So that's why this wasn't expected. I already got it back and I did a video on it and everything. So, wait a minute, this is the extended. Wow. Man, I gotta check and make. I'm pretty sure I didn't order it. I'm pretty sure I didn't order it. Wow, this is crazy. I don't understand that. All right, it looked like it. Okay. I mean, I didn't order this. Like I said, I had mine was broke. I crashed it, and I sent the video and all recordings to them. So they sent me a new one already. So I guess I may as well open this joint up. This is the Paradenofi extended, anytime, anywhere. And I actually love my Paradenofi. I'm not gonna say, I think that this actually is definitely better than a Maverick Air. And in a lot of cases, it's better than a Maverick Pro and Pro 2 in some cases because of its size and its appearance. It looks like a toy. So a lot of times when you go places that don't really allow drones, stuff like that, the Paradenofi gets through because of the way it looks. The camera on it is not as good as the Mavic Pro 2, but the camera on the Nafi, to me, is pretty close to the Mavic Pro, and it's better, pretty much, than the Mavic Air. And it doesn't have those restrictions on it. So I guess I'm doing another video on a pair of the Nafi. I mean, I've done several on them. I have another drone too. I have the Evo. I've done several on that also. I have the Evo, which is an awesome drone too. But you know, of course, my two drones don't have the limitation of the no-fly zones like the Mavics do, the DJI drones do. I'm actually filming this on a DJI. What's that thing called? The DJI Pocket Osmo. That's a great camera, whatever, but I'm not flying it anywhere, so I don't have any no-fly zones, so it's cool. Because DJI drones are probably the best drones. I mean, they probably are the best drones. DJI drones are probably the best drones, but I think they have some limitations on them. And I think the Mavic Pro 2 is not 60 to 75% more of a drone than mine. That's how much it costs. It's about $600 or $700 more than my Evo. Well, it's a lot more than this right here. But I'm just like, should I call them to see if they made a mistake? I mean, why did they send me this? This is crazy. I mean, I do love Parrot and Nafis. I love them, but I mean, okay, this is the strap. I mean, this is pretty cool. I hope I don't have to send it back. I mean, this is pretty cool. This is the strap right here for the bag. Because like I'm saying, okay, the one they sent me, the replacement one for my one, the one that I crashed, I haven't even flown that drone yet. I mean, it's in my travel bag, and it's and I have everything set up or whatever, but I haven't actually flown it yet. And I mean, this is crazy. Okay, all right. I hope they don't ask for it back. But I mean, look. I mean, this is nuts. So I have two pair of Nafis now. The Piers. Let me see. Wait a minute. Wow. Okay. And I have 3 controllers because this is I have 3 as I have 3 of these, and I have 5 batteries. But I mean, I don't know. See, that's how it looks when you open up. This was sitting right here. I mean, hey, this is what's up. Okay. This is what's up. This is pretty decent. All right, these are the 2 batteries right here. 1, 2. Okay, and this is some books and stuff. And I don't know how good my camera can see under this right here. That's kind of how it looks inside of there. Okay, these are the books. I got them already too. I think I'm at the bottom. I got okay, they gave me 2 USB-C cords, I guess, to charge the 3 batteries. That's pretty cool. That's another reason the Parrot Nafi is so great, because you can charge it with a power brick. I mean, it's USB charger. You don't have you don't have a special charger for it. So that's one thing, less thing you have to carry. Okay, these are extra propellers. I do have a lot of these. These are nice. Hold on, look at it. Yeah, it's just one set. They're a different packaging than I have for mine, but it's just one set. So I have like 4 sets of those. That's cool. Okay, this is the adapter, the SD card adapter. So the SD card's not in there, so I guess it's in the drone. Okay, so okay, that's like magnetic or something. It's cool, all right, you see it? Like magnetic. But I can look at this and tell that the drone is back there. So, I mean, this is really cool. I mean, it's like, it's like, I'm trying to figure out if I need to call them to find out if they sent this to me by accident, because I didn't order this, but I mean, here it is, and I haven't even flown the other one yet. Yeah, I haven't even flown the other one yet. So this is it. Yeah, I just want to see what battery's in it. I mean, I'm sorry. I want to see what size SD card is in it, just to see if it's the same. It looks like the same one that's in the. This little door right here is what a lot of people hate. So you can look at it that way. Okay, I'm gonna see it because they can break. I actually have never broke. It's really flimsy. I've never broken it, but you know, people have and they complain about them. But okay, yeah, it's a 16 gig. All right, that's the same. That's the same one that comes in the one I already had. Okay, the batteries appear to be dead. Maybe I should keep my batteries uncharged also. So I don't really need to do anything with this right here. We all know what it is. I'm just gonna try. I mean, this case is really cool though, man. I hope I don't have to return it. I mean, it's like, I just hope they don't get in touch with me and say, hey, we made a mistake and sent you that drone. But okay, that's a mag. All right. Yeah, I'm gonna be really upset about that. But anyway, I am waiting for something else that this wasn't. So I'm gonna go ahead and end here, and maybe, I don't know, maybe we'll figure something else out.